Hello everybody, Brad Beene here, Territory Sales Manager for Amazon Inc. I'm here in lovely Indiana today. We're out here standing with the Catros 9-meter. This tool here is extremely versatile, has a wide variety of usages across different territories and across different soil types. And so we're just going to talk a little bit about today what it is, how it does what it does. We get back here, you'll see that we have some hydraulic accumulators sitting here. So these hydraulic accumulators, what their purpose is they're here to help ensure that we always have maximum soil contact. So what that means with this machine here, it's our smart frame, but this machine is also equipped with contour frame. So in the rolling hills, terraces, the frame will ride and you have the same contact out at the end of the machine as you do in the center of the machine. And we do that with these accumulators here. So we run our wings in the float position, and you've always got that great contact for best preparation of your soil. So when we're talking about the Catros, you know, everybody wants to know about your bearings and what that is. Our bearings, we actually make our bearings in-house. They're an oil field maintenance-free bearing. These bearings, they don't use a rubber on rubber seal inside. It's a metal face seal. They're highly machined, so when moisture hits them, they will actually stick together. Once that lubrication hits there, they'll stick together. They will not let any dirt infiltrate your bearing, causing excessive wear. I've seen bearings last as long as 60,000 acres. The nice thing about these bearings, they are rebuildable. So if you have a bearing fail, you can buy a whole new bearing, slap it on there, buy your rebuild kit, and rebuild one and have a spare sitting on the shelf. When you move to the back of the machine a little further, you see we've got a matrix, what we call our KWM matrix roller back here. Those are all steel rollers with a rubber cover over them. This is a good all-around roller. However, we offer 10 other options for rollers to fit any kind of soil condition you're looking for. So if you've got sandy soils, stony soils, we've got a roller that fits every situation across any terrain. Another great option we have with our Catros lineup, our biggest one being our knife roller. So that knife roller mounts across the front of the machine. It pushes that stalk over or stubble over, whatever you're running in, pushes it over, helps crimp it, cuts it some, and then that way you get even more breakdown of that material. And then you get more breakdown as you get through the first disc and second disc gang to really manage that residue the best we can. We offer several options for disc. We have this heavy notched, as you see here beside us. We also have a smooth blade, or we offer a fine serrated blade, depending on whatever kind of conditions you're wanting to run in and the type of finish you're looking to get. So also in our wing setup here, we have a set of double gauge wheels up front to help stabilize that machine as well. They don't carry any weight per se. They're there to keep your machine from dipping on the ends and from nosediving. That's our biggest advantage to this double gauge wheel setup, and everything's going to have a double gauge wheel setup. As we get into our disc array, the 9-meter here, 72 disc. This machine, the front angle is a 17-degree angle, the rear angle is a 14-degree angle, and the blade spacing is 10 inches. So I've got 10-inch spacing, and I'm offset in my back row of gangs, and then that way I get a cut every 5 inches for maximum penetration, maximum breakout of the soil, and also control chopping and sizing of our residue. You can see also above my disc here, you can see I've got a nice laser cut gauge. So that gauge right there is an indicator. So from the cab, if I want to change my depth on the fly due to field conditions or even trash conditions in the field, from the cab I can see that gauge and I can adjust my disc shallower or lower. These discs are capable of cutting anywhere from an inch all the way down to 5.5 inches. So you can get that maximum range of depth that you need in order to do whatever job you're looking to do that on that particular day.